Hello.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Tiny Big Life Philippines. My name is Darius, and this is
Munchkin here.
Munchkin here. And she really looks like a Munchkin with this damn big ass countertop over here.
Yeah, this is for my husband only.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
You're okay with this one? This one is like perfect for you.
yeah, this is for me. This is gonna be my area.
Yeah, that's definitely your area. Yeah. The tile guy, we do have tile that we did buy to match this. It's a little bit lighter, but the tile guy got into a bike accident on Sunday, so he hasn't been here all week.
Yeah.
But the big news over here, the big upgrade over here, guys, is the windows and doors. And we did get these doors put in. And what the option we had was one-way glass or just regular glass.
Yeah, regular glass.
Regular glass, and we went with
choices like colors.
yeah, a couple different colors, but we ended up going for this one-way glass. What we did not realize, because like in Canada we never use one-way glass, right? Just regular glass, but over here it gets used quite often to block out the sun, right? What we didn't realize is that at nighttime, during the daytime it's fine. You can see everything outside and it's great, but at nighttime where the light is, it acts as a mirror. So in here we can't see anything outside, but whoever is outside can see this like super clear. I'll show you guys how crazy it is, man. It's pretty ridiculous, and it's
Not ready yet, just be careful.
Guys are over here working on that patio over here, so that's they're already a day in with this. But look at this, you guys. You cannot see outside. It's like a glass. It's like a wind, it's like a glass or a mirror, not a glass. What am I saying? But right now, like oh man, you guys, this is a little bit of a problem for us. So what we ended up doing is ordering some new glass, just regular two-way glass, and that's what we're gonna put in here, because we're gonna keep all the other windows. We are keeping those. We're not gonna change everything because it's just way too pricey. But we are gonna change these three, because as much as we want to see, out there in just one way, but at nighttime, we still want to see out there normally, and we don't want the whole house to feel like a mirror, man. So that's a big oops that we did. That's on me. I can put that on me and on you.
Well, me too, because I like to see outside, but we didn't realize the nighttime.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Even they mentioning to me, but they said you can put the curtain.
Yeah, that's what everybody does over here. They put curtains, but we don't want to put any curtains over here. We just don't. So we're gonna just get regular glass over here, and that's gonna be fine.
We can order or install the blinds for the kitchen.
Yeah.
But living room, curtain is fine.
Yeah, exactly.
The bedroom.
Those two are still going in, and tomorrow the doors are gonna be put in over here too. So the doors are going in here, and the guys are working over here on that patio. That's gonna be looking pretty good. That's gonna be about 4 feet tall from the other side, so might have to put a step in. The bathroom is almost done, basically.
Almost done. This part.
Yeah, the tile guy still has to be here and finish off the tile. I did all the grouting. Munchkin or his son did all the painting, and then I did all the grouting. So I did finish off the bathroom over here, and I did most of the living room. I did the whole living room,
I think today is grouting day. No
Yeah.
basketball.
People asked us to go play basketball. People asked us to go to the river. Wife said, nah,
No way,
no
Jose.
basketball, no river, man.
Right. And today also putting the window.
Part of the kitchen over here, I did all this too. Part of it. Guys were working over here, so I couldn't get in here yet, but I'll do that maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm gonna ask Alec to do this.
Oh, to install? Yeah, okay.
This one.
And we did get this shower and this heater over here. We did get the Stable Eltron, the German brand that people did recommend that I would get. And yeah, shower is working, water is working, everything got hooked up, everything got connected. And again, over here, you guys, this this window over here, like, you know, during the daytime, it's great, you know, because you can see outside and no one can see inside. But now at nighttime, like, what are we gonna do? You know, like, that's gonna be so silly if we're taking a shower out there and somebody's out there, right?
We're gonna put blinds.
Yeah, I think we're gonna put some sort of a curtain or some sort of a, you know, blind or something like that, because it's just, that's pretty silly. That's pretty silly. During the day, great. Unless we put like a very, very bright light out there, then it's gonna, the other one is gonna act as the lighter one, and you can, but you know, we're not gonna do that, right? Like, we're not gonna put like, you know, 100 million lumens light out there, so we can, that's not gonna work. So, but yeah, the bathroom is, you know, basically done, except oh yeah, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do, we're gonna, because we did order glass for this, it's already come in, we're gonna take this glass and we're gonna use it over here for the shower. We were gonna originally just order 2 pieces of glass over here, then they weren't gonna have to have a frame, but the way this glass is, we're gonna have to have a frame over here. So it's fine for now, you know. It's gonna be fixed. It's gonna come around here to about here, and then this is gonna be an opening. We don't want a sliding door or anything like that in here. It's gonna be a fixed glass for this shower, but that's all that has to get done, and that's gonna get done tomorrow. Same thing over here. This big, nice, big, beautiful doors over here. They're so cool. They're so amazing. Wait. Let me go too. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Look at that.
One way.
One way.
You know, especially when we open this up and we can see out here into the jungle. Very, very, very awesome. Mm-hmm. But again, it's, you know, now it's acting like a mirror. Yeah, we do have a light over here, and this is all gonna get, they said it's gonna take them about 5 days to finish off that. So very much looking forward to this being done. But we're not gonna change these ones. We're gonna keep this. We're gonna put some sort of a blinds over here. Munchkin's already kind of figuring that out. Curtains. We're gonna put curtains over there. Same on that window right now over there, because you can totally see inside right now, which is, you know, kind of silly. But this room is almost done. They're gonna sand this tomorrow and give it another coat. Mm-hmm. And then Munchkin's gonna paint this up, and her son are gonna paint this up, and then we're ready to go. Our plan is to move in on Saturday or Sunday, right?
Sunday, hopefully.
Yeah, Sunday, hopefully. We went to go get a bed today.
But our bed that we like is you have to order.
Yeah, so the bed that we want, and we want it in a king size, so we are getting a king size bed. Even Munchkin is super tiny. Believe me, she takes up most of the bed, all right? The way she sleeps is, you know, it's most of the bed. and I'm like on the edge, you know, like on the edge, and I'm always trying to like move, and I'm like always bumping into her. I'm like, man, how can you be so tiny and be everywhere, you know? But that's how she rolls. What else? The couches came in too. So, and you know, guys, I know that the house looks real big on video. I know that because even
But
people
it's
that
not-
have,
It's not that big.
but it's not, it's really not that big, you know what I mean? People that have come here and they watch it on video and then they come over here and they're like, man, the house looks huge on video, but in real life, like look at this, like this couch set over here, how that is, and there's only a little bit of space over here. Eventually, I want to put my driving rig over there. I do some sim racing. Unfortunately, I sold most of it in Canada before we came. I kind of wish I would have just brought everything, sent everything over here. I wish I would. If you guys are coming over here, send everything you can over, Matt. Everything over here is much more expensive, and it's very difficult to get. So I would send all my tools. If I would have known, I would have sent my tile cutter, everything over here, because the guys didn't even have a tile cutter that were doing the work over here. But this is kind of how the couch set looks. We didn't take it apart yet because there's still a little bit of work to be done here before we move in.
Yeah, yeah. Need to be mopped and remove all the dust.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video, like five things I should have I should have done differently. You know, that's gonna be the next one that I'm gonna make, I think. But yeah, that's sort of the update right now. The house is looking pretty dope. You know, we're really enjoying it. But look at this window over here. See, that's how this window looks.
That is a regular.
That's a regular window. That's not a one-way window. And look how that is. That's still a window from that spot. That's the original window. We just took it off, and now we put it back on. We took it off because the window got raised, full hollow block, because the whole floor over here got raised, right? So because everything got raised, we same with this window here. That's the old original window, but we did raise it by about a foot or so, you know, because the whole floor got raised by about a foot. So, but yeah, that's sort of the update right now. Like I said, we're a little bummed out about the doors, although all the glass. I mean, we're gonna live with it. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, it still look nice.
You know.
For me, it's a mirror. I can TikTok with it.
Yeah, exactly. She can do some dancing, and she can you know. For me, it's a little bit more pain in the ass because I don't want to do TikTok videos in here. Okay, I wanted to look outside, but I guess we can have this open a lot. You know, close it at nighttime when it's.
We're gonna put the screen as well so we can open
Mm-hmm.
the breeze coming here. We have a nice garden soon.
This is the spot right here for the oven. We do have that. It's in the other house right now. And over here, we're gonna be putting our fridge. Our fridge is gonna be sitting over here. Originally, we were gonna have it here. That was the original plan. But because of this island coming out so far, the fridge is just not gonna work over there now, you know? So we're gonna have it right over here. It's gonna kind of cover the window, cover this door a tiny little bit, but it's no big deal. But yeah, that's the update so far. Like I said, we're gonna be moving in on Sunday this week.
Hopefully.
You know, this week we're gonna be moving in. We're just gonna do it.
Yeah. Here in Philippines, if you move in a new house, you have like a tradition time, but I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah, the priest is supposed to come over here and bless the house, right?
Yeah, but it's not necessarily, but some people does.
I don't know. I've seen a lot of Westerners doing it. A lot of Westerners married to Filipinos. They build a house and.
People expected for house blessing like that.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the update so far, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thank
you so much for watching our YouTube channel.
Exactly. Thank you for watching and supporting us, and always the awesome comments you guys leave us are just
We're gonna
they're
make
just
more
amazing.
videos for you guys for our life here.
Yeah, exactly. The pizza truck should be going to its spot maybe even tomorrow. I know we ordered a fridge that should be coming in on Saturday, and we want to have the truck already in its spot when the fridge arrives, which should be on Saturday. So
Yeah.
okay, stay tuned for some more videos, and
Thank you so much, guys.
yeah, enjoy the rest of the day, evening, whatever you guys are, wherever you guys, however you are. All right, peace out.
Bye.